Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video. Today we're talking about our shower pay box and in-the-wall construction. If there is space in between adjacent wood studs in the wall, it is possible to place the coin shower in between the wood studs. This installation leaves a 2-inch enclosure lid exposed. In order to save space, the coin shower water valve can be inset into the wall where the up pipe is located, leading into the shower head. This type of installation is much cleaner and hides the water valve. Inset wall mounting is also ideal for new construction and new renovations for customers looking to make their shower box more aesthetically pleasing. The best location to put the water valve is inside the wall cavity, and the water valve is placed in between the 2x4 in that supporting wall, which carries the water from the mixing valve to the shower head. The valve is hidden from view and is ideal for when the back of the shower is available. Here is a valve pipe connector that is used to install our water valve to copper or plex plumbing pipes. For more information on our shower pay box and other fine quality products, please visit us at www.limitedresources.us or follow the links given below. Thank you very much and have a great day.